Welcome to How to Do One Step Sparring for Tang Soo Do. I'm Chris Rockhold at Rockhold Karate. Today I'm going to do a mechanical walkthrough of Ulanzi Deryang, also known as One Step Sparring. There are 18 one-step sparring drills. I'm going to pair them off and make a series of 9 videos. So I'm going to start with Ilban and Iban, 1 and 2. So let me get set up and I'll be right back. Ulanzi Deryang, Ilban, one-step sparring, first one. The defender is counterattacking a punch to the face. So I'm going to move to the left first, offline into Chungol Jesse, front stance, and Tulo Sudamaki, waving knife hand block. From here, I'm going to twist and Tulo Chundankong Kyuk, middle punch. I'm going to shift my stance. And then I'll do the same thing, shift back, doing Tulo Sandankong Kyuk, high punch to their face. And from here, I'm going to trade my feet out. I'm going to step up to where my left foot is and round kick with my left foot. Up Doryo Chai Gi. And bring it back and retreat back and then reset back to Chumbi. Now I'll go to the right for Iban, second one. So step off line, wave block, and twist, reverse middle punch, twist, reverse high punch, step up, round kick, and retreat back. And then reset back to Chumbi. Now from your perspective, turn back around here. I'm going to go out to the left first, this way. Step out, front stance, wave block with the opposite hand. Twist, reverse middle punch, twist into reverse high punch, step up and round kick with my left foot, and retreat back, and then back to Chumbi. Second one, I'm going to move off to the right, step off line, wave block into front stance, twist punch in the middle punch, twist punch to high punch, step up, round kick, and retreat back, and back to Chumbi. And that is one-step sparring drills 1 and 2. Be sure to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Ring that bell for new video notifications. And in the next video, I'm going to have one-step sparring drills 3 and 4. Until then, keep sharpening your mind, your body, and your character. Take it easy.